Photography. Dream, reality.
Jose Residence. So update ito ng ating ongoing construction, which is the Jose Residence located at Mabini, Herona, Tarlac. Jose Residence is a single-story residential building with 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So this time, nasa 1.5 months na tayo ng ating construction. This is week 9 ng ating construction ng ating Jose Residence. Binubuo na natin yung kabilang side ng ating structure and ready na siya for roofing. Sa plastering naman, buong interior walls yung ginagawa natin. So nandito tayo sa may master's bedroom. So tapos na yung plastering ng interiors niya. And then sa hallway, dito yung living area. And as you can see, merong existing building. Yung existing building na yan, yung gagawin nating kitchen. Ito yung design niya. And dito sa ating updated aerial video is nagkakabit na tayo ng ating roofing. So ang strategy natin dito is matapos muna yung roofing ng kabilang side para makapaglipat ng gamit yung existing building. Tsaka natin ngayon gagawin na i-assemble yung roof beams nung existing building. So ito muna yung update natin sa ating Jose Residence. For more construction and hardware videos, just click our channel. And nandyan yung mga previous projects natin. So ayan, thanks for watching.